Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to invite a collaborator on Instagram after posting. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to open your Instagram app. Then you can click on the plus in this area right here. And after that you can put any post. For example, I'm gonna put this one right here. Then click on next, then click on OK, and then here you can choose tag people and click on invite collaborator and search for any user that you want. As you can see right here, I'm going to choose this one for example, and by this way you can invite or add a collaborator on Instagram, but this is before posting. But what if you want to add a collaborator on Instagram after posting? To do that, all you have to do is to go to your profile, then choose the photo that you want to add the collaborator on. Click on it, and all you have to do now is to click on these three dots right here, then click on edit, and then click on tag people right here. Then tap on the photo to tag people, then search for the person that you want to tag, as you can see. And by using this method, by adding him as a collaborator, this post will be seen by your friends, and also the user's friends will be able to see the same post. So I'm gonna choose this one for example, and after that you can click on this icon right here, click on it again, and congratulations, now you have added this person as a collaborator. But sometimes you may find limitations in this method, so all you have to do, and this is another method to do the same purpose of collaboration, it's to make his friends or your friends, both of your friends, see the post. So you can simply ask your friend or the one that you want to add him as a collaborator, you can ask him simply to share your post by going to your post, then click on this icon right here. And this is another simple method. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.